What's up, guys? It's Dylan with The Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be talking about how I balance school and entrepreneurship, or how I am balancing school and entrepreneurship, because as of now, I'm currently in high school. So really early on in my life, I realized what I wanted to do, which was own businesses and make tons and tons of money was the ultimate goal. And I realized you can't do that with your conventional 9-to-5 job. So I developed really early on that I was essentially going to be an entrepreneur or a business owner. So along with all this entailed lots of things like me selling fidget spinners my freshman year of high school, me selling candy my entire middle school career, me selling origami in elementary school. And it wasn't really until my sophomore year of high school when I learned about online business and making money online instead of just at school off of other people, when I really dove deep into it and, just started focusing on building an actual business. So launching my first dropshipping store, like creating my first websites, those things took time, and it wasn't really easy to do along with, school, and I was a baseball player at the time, and I was busy. So I would essentially wake up in the morning, not early because I'm a teenager, and that's just not the way it happens. I'd wake up, go to school from 7:25 to 2:25. After that, I would have practice from just 2:25 because I go right after school. My coach was an idiot. We didn't get out until like 6:30 sometimes. And then after that, I just really focused on just building my businesses. This took a lot of time and dedication, especially to balance it with schoolwork, friends. It wasn't easy. Essentially, what I was doing is I was putting all of my free time into, building, at the time, Aphrodite Boutique, my first dropshipping store. I was focusing all of my time on this. I honestly really didn't care about school because I knew what I wanted to do, and I thought I was a genius because I was making like $30 a day online. So I would blow off schoolwork. I'd tell myself that I was going to be a millionaire, which I still am. I mean, just wait on it. I told myself it wasn't important. I focused all my time on the Aphrodite Boutique, and it worked out well. I ended up selling them. I made money. It was my introduction into dropshipping, e-commerce, this whole online deal. But if I could go back and do it again, I wouldn't do it this way. You may be asking yourselves, why did you just go on that little 2-minute rant for you to just say not to do that? Well, that's because if you're watching this video, you're probably in the same position I'm in. You're in high school, you're in middle school, hell, maybe even elementary school, you're young. And that's the thing, you're young. Most people don't build their first businesses until they're like 45. Just knowing what you want to do now is a huge head start over anyone else. You're never going to be a teenager again, you're never going to be in high school again. So enjoy the moments you have now. Yes, focus on being productive, and yes, strive towards your goals and succeeding and doing the best you can every single day. Hey, nope. 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 What? Busy. Oh my god. Where was I? But yes, strive to achieve your goals, but just remember that you're young and that this time is never going to come back to you. Yes, time can be a double-edged sword, and you could say that we only have such limited time, so work now and get it done now so you can enjoy it later. But the thing is, moments come like that. Something as simple as going out with your friends when you don't usually go out with your friends could completely be life-changing. You never know what story's going to happen or what awesome memory could have been made. As crazy as it sounds, it's really awesome to be a kid. You're carefree, you're young, you have no responsibility in the world. Time like this doesn't come back. And so make sure you're working hard and working towards your goals every single day, striving to be the best you. I already said that. But make sure you're improving while still not taking everything for granted. And yes, working an extra hour instead of grabbing a bite to eat with your friends may put you an hour ahead. Believe me, I've been there before. But the times when we're young are the times we look back on. From here, we only get older and life only gets harder. Yes, be an entrepreneur, but more importantly, be a high schooler. Anyways, I know this is a little bit of a different type of video, and I may have rambled on a little bit, but if you get any value out of this, or you can relate in any way whatsoever, make sure to like and subscribe down below. It helps me out more than you know. I'm the Entrepreneur. Later, guys.